Good morning, everybody. Last lecture, we have seen the forward differences. Today, we shall see the definition of backward differences. In last lecture, we have seen that the difference y1 minus y0 is called as a first forward difference and it is denoted by delta y0. In the similar manner, if y0, y1, y2 and yn are the values of the function y corresponding the values x0, x1, x2, x so on, xn of the x, then the difference is y1 minus y0, y2 minus y1 and continuing like this yn minus 1 are called as first backward differences, and these are denoted by the notations del y1, del y2 and so on del yn respectively, where this notation is read as del or it is also read as nabla, which is a backward difference operator. The backward difference is del y1 is equals to y1 minus y0, del y2 is equals to y2 minus y0 and so on del yn is equals to yn minus yn minus 1, and as I have told that del is called as a backward difference operator. Now try to understand difference between forward differences and backward differences. Yesterday we have seen that this difference y1 minus y0, it is also forward difference but it is denoted by delta y0. And now this difference y1 minus y0 is denoted by del y1. Means in case of backward difference, first term is y1 and it is denoted as a del y1. But in case of forward difference, this y1 minus y0 is called as a forward difference and it is denoted by delta y0, means forward means next value, and for backward difference we shall denote it by first value. Similarly, del y2 is y2 minus y1 and so on. As yesterday we have seen that difference of first forward difference is called as a second forward difference. By the same manner, difference of first backward difference is called as a second backward difference, and these second backward differences are denoted by delta 2 y1, delta 2 y2 and so on. For example, del 2 y2 is equals to del y2 minus del y1, and as we know that del y2 is y2 minus y1, so the substituted value here y2 minus y1, and del y1 is y1 minus y2, here substituted y1 minus y2, and after simplifying this will get y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. Similarly, del 2 y3 comes to be y3 minus 2y2 plus y1. As yesterday I have told that you have to start from here, in this case from the same value y3, and then go on decreasing the suffixes and give the alternating sign. Means del 2 y3 is y3 minus 2y2 plus y1. Del 3 y3 is equals to del 2 y3 minus, this is a third backward difference, and as usual third backward difference is difference of second backward difference. Therefore del 3 y3 is equal to del 2 y3 minus del 2 y2. del 2 y2. And here you can see that del 2 y3 is y3 minus 2y2 plus y1, and del 2 y2 is y2 minus 2y1 plus y0, and after simplifying this will comes to y3 minus 3y2 plus 3y1 minus y0, and therefore this is the value of del 3 y3. By similar manner, del 3 y4 is y4 minus 3y3 plus 3y2 minus y4. And by continuing in this manner, fourth backward difference is a difference of third backward difference, and therefore del 4 y4 is equals to del 3 y4 minus del 3 y3, and substituting the values of del 3 y4 and del 3 y3 and simplifying, you can observe that del 4 y4 comes to be y4 minus 4y3 plus 6y2 minus 6y1 plus y0. Similarly, del 4 y5 is y5 minus 4y4 plus 6y3 minus 4y2 plus y1, and similarly we can define any backward difference. Now we shall see the table for backward difference. As we have seen in the table for forward difference, first column is for the values of x. We have considered these values of x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Means we have taken 6 values x0 to x5. Then corresponding values of y, which are denoted by y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. Now third column is first backward difference, and which is denoted by del y, and here which comes to be del y1, del y2, del y3, del y4, del y5. Here del y1 is y1 minus y0, del y2 is y2 minus y0, del y3 is y3 minus y2, and continuing like this. Lower value minus upper value, and their result we have to write in the center. Means, for example, this y1 minus y0, its value is del y1, and which is written in the center of these two. And we shall continue the process, and then we shall consider next column as a del 2 y, then del 3 y, and continue like this. Last column is del 5 y5. This is a backward difference table for the operator del. Now we shall see forward difference operator, backward difference operator, and using this operator we have defined forward differences and backward differences. Now we shall consider central differences. The central differences are defined as, and the central difference operator is denoted by delta, small delta, and these are defined as y1 minus y0 is equals to delta y1 divided by 2, is delta y half, it is 1 by 2. Then y2 minus y1 is equal to delta y 3 by 2. It look likes be 3 2 1 2. Actually this is divided by slash, is not seen clearly here. Now how it can be identified? Here difference is y1 minus y0. What are the suffixes? Suffixes are 1 and 0. And what is their average? 1 plus 0 divided by 2. It is a 1 by 2, and therefore it is notation is del y 1 by 2. In the second case, 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 2. it is 3 by 2, and therefore y2 minus y1 is equal to delta y 3 by 2, and continuing in this manner, finally we can write yn minus 1 is equals to del yn minus 1 divided by 2. These are the definitions of central differences. Again, difference is same. In first forward difference also, first forward difference is y1 minus y0, but which is denoted as delta y0. First backward difference is also y1 minus y0, but it is denoted as del y1. And in case of central difference operator, this difference is same again, y1 minus y0, but it is denoted as delta y half, and continuing like this. Means actually if we construct the tables of forward difference, backward difference and central difference, values inside the tables are same, but these are the values of forward differences, backward differences and central differences respectively, though which are looking same. Some author defines the central difference as delta yr is equals to y r plus half minus y r minus half. This is also definition of central difference. With the values of x and y as in the forward difference and backward difference table, a central difference can be formed. By the similar manner, we can form the central difference. Now, student, try to understand difference between these three differences: forward difference, backward difference and central difference. If we construct the difference tables of these three differences, again I am telling you that values inside the tables are same, because if we consider in table first values of y as y0 and y1, the first value in the difference is y1 minus y0. In all three cases it is y1 minus y0, but in case of forward difference, here instead of del y1 it is delta y0, and for backward difference y1 minus y0 is del y1, and for central difference value at this place is y1 minus y0, but in table its value is delta y half. Means actual value is same, but notations are different. That is a change between the values in the table. Now we have seen forward difference, backward difference and central difference. Now we shall continue the lecture with the actual construction of table, any one table, for example either forward difference, backward difference, and we shall see this how to construct the table in next lecture. Thank you all students.